everyone. Today we are making Goan fish curry. So we have a pomfret with us, fish, and I made here fish curry masala ready. So quickly I take you to the ingredients to make a fish curry. So there we have some coconut here, grated coconut, fresh grated coconut. Then we have a peppercorn here. Then we have a onion, sliced onion, clove of garlic. Then we have a coriander seeds, dry coriander seeds. Then tamarind, Kashmiri red chili, cumin seeds, and we have a salt, green chili, then turmeric powder, and kokum. So kokum is basically your all-time Goan favorite. It is a soul, we called in a Goan language. So we'll start making Goan fish curry here. So let's see. So this is the paste. We'll get it orange in color. When we'll grind all these ingredients together in the mixer. We don't use oil in the fish curry when we are making the fish curry. So you just put a paste in the pan. Okay, your paste is ready in the pan. Then just take an onion. Put little salt in this. Then put in gravy. Put some water in this. Boil it for some time. Then we put some green chilies, slit green chilies, and some kokum in this. 2 pieces of kokum. So let's get it boiled. So till it gets boils, we have a pomfret here. So pomfret I have cut it into the daan. We'll put a salt in this and marinate the pomfret. Just marinate the pomfret with the salt, and when curry will start boiling, we put the fish and simmer in the gravy. See here, the curry is starting boiling. Taste. Boiling, so that means our curry is boiling. Then we can put the fish inside. Again we are just putting the fish, raw fish cut into the daan, and just marinate in the salt. No frying, no oil we used in the fish curry. Just put the fish. And simmer it for another 7 to 8 minutes. So another 5 minutes and our fish will get ready. See, the nice aroma comes from the fish and the kokum you have put, which is very important for the Goan fish curry. So here another 5 minutes and our fish curry will get ready. So till that we'll ready our portion ball to serve for the fish curry. Here is our portion ball. We have some green chilies for the garnish, and we'll use the kokum for the garnish. Now we had already put the salt in the fish marination at the time of marination. Now little bit of salt we'll put. Very little, because there is already salt in the fish. Curry is ready. So some chili will put for garnish, and kokum. So here is your Goan pomfret fish curry.